even if the sign is off. Please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member
pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and attach it to the buckle in front. It adjusts securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, thank you for paying attention. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight.
Thank you for flying with Delta.
Wasn't that video just super? Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your attention. Flight attendants will now be coming through the aisles performing our final safety checks. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and visible to us as we walk through the aisles. Now, if you're using a quarter blanket to grip yourself, please place your seatbelt over your quarter blanket so we don't have to disturb you throughout our flight. Also, please make sure that your seat backs are upright, tray tables are stowed, and all carrying items are properly stowed as well. Finally, I will be turning off the cabin lighting for our departure out of Columbus today. Should you require additional reading light, you'll find there are reading light buttons located in the panels above your seat. Thank you again for choosing Delta. We'll be underway and airborne in just a few moments.
Gentlemen, for the flight deck, we're number 2 in line for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.
Agárrense porque ahí va. Sí, Dios.